Something is lurking in the water. Do you see it? A group of people are out kayaking when suddenly a massive shadow appears beneath them. The water ripples, the surface explodes, and in an instant, they're gone. It sounds like a nightmare, right? But could this actually happen? And if a whale did swallow you, could you survive? Let's find out. First, you need to understand just how huge whales are. The blue whale, for example, is the largest animal on Earth. Its tongue alone weighs as much as an elephant, and its mouth could fit nearly 500 people inside. But here's the twist. Even though it could fit you, it couldn't swallow you. Why? Because its throat is only about the size of a dinner plate. So, you're safe from blue whales. The real danger comes from their smaller but deadlier cousin, the sperm whale. This deep-sea giant has teeth up to 20 centimeters long. That's about the length of a chef's knife, and it's strong enough to crush a giant squid. In 1891, a sailor named James Bartley claimed he was swallowed by one of these whales and lived to tell the tale. When his crew cut open the whale the next day, they supposedly found him alive, but bleached white from stomach acid. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, science agrees. If you were actually swallowed by a sperm whale, the first thing you'd face would be total darkness and an unbearable squeeze as the whale's throat muscles pushed you down. Oxygen would quickly run out, and you'd start to suffocate from methane and pressure. Then, you'd drop into the first of the whale's 4 stomachs, filled with hydrochloric acid strong enough to dissolve bones. You might catch a glimpse of bioluminescent squid glowing faintly in the dark, before everything burns away. Eventually, your remains would pass through the whale's digestive system and be expelled into the ocean as nothing more than a pile of bones. So no human could survive being swallowed by a whale. Sorry, James Bartley. Maybe you fooled people in the 1890s, but science has swallowed your story whole. As terrifying as whales may seem, they're not monsters, and they have absolutely no interest in eating humans. If they could talk, they'd probably say, "Relax, you're not on the menu."